What's up guys, today I'm showing off the brand new Super Drum 70, which was recently released on printables. The Super Drum is a half-length dart compatible drum mag that takes minimal hardware and is easy to load and use. I printed my Super Drum out of Matahacker's Black and Natural Build Series PLA. Loading the Super Drum is pretty simple. Start with loading darts into the neck, then rotating counterclockwise every 3 darts to fill the drum.
Despite being tedious to load, due to the sheer number of darts you can carry in one mag, I think the fact that 70 darts can fit inside definitely makes up for it. Fully loaded.
Here's some test footage of me using the drum in the S-Build 2 by Gavin Fuzzy Customs and new Old Fusion Design Springer Oomph. Also, there's an included MOLLE tab in the file set that you can attach to the drum, which allows for the Super Drum to be attached to any kind of MOLLE setup. For example, I attached it to my belt just to show it off.